Hello, everyone. This is a screen share video on how to turn work into Google Classroom. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you learn a little something about turning work in. It is definitely the most efficient way to turn work into Google Classroom. We've had students turning work in through the stream, but ever since we've built it out, I think it's time we learn how to turn stuff into our classwork folders so that we can get more access to teacher comments and grading more quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I created an account for myself as a student, and what that is the account that you see right here. I am not going in as the teacher. I am going in as a student. I'm going in as a middle schooler, and I have an assignment that I have assigned to myself to do, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn that into Google Classroom. So here we go. I'm going to click it on there. All right. So this is me. Hi class, it's Mr. Adam, but I'm in the system as a student, and I am showing us how to turn assignments into Google Classroom. Hope you enjoy this video. Best, Mr. Adam. And I posted as the teacher a writing prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and go to classwork. And this is what you see. You see the work that you have. Some of you will see the upper elementary 4th through 6th. Some of you will see upper elementary, well, 4th and 5th and 6th graders will see upper elementary 4th through 6th, and then either 4th, 5th, or 6th, and the middle schoolers will see middle schoolers. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one, and it says, Adam, please upload a copy of your Antigone research prompts from the fall of 2019. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and view that assignment. And here it is. This is the assignment, and this is where the magic happens right here. This is where you can add or create, or you can mark something as done. You can go ahead and mark something as done if, let's say, for example, you sent a picture of a map and everything looked good, and the teacher's like, "Ah, great job." That is one way to do it. For example, my son showed me a picture of a Civil War map that he created, and he could go ahead and mark that as done, so he can get credit for that within Google Classroom. Now, of course, remember, we're a Montessori school. We typically don't grade, but what we're trying to do here is just get efficient at using the program. So here is a place where you can add private comments to ask your teacher things, and here is where you add or create. So I'm going to go here, and it gives me all the different options that I can do. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I would do it if I was going to create a Word document or a drawing, but there are other things we could use here, like PowerPoint slides, for example. So I'm going to go ahead and start with Docs, and it's creating a Google Doc for me. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and go in there. And this is the rough draft of my Antigone research prompts. And of course, anybody who knows me knows that I like my old school 12-point Times New Roman font. And so this is a great option if you're doing a writing assignment. This is also a good option if you are doing a grammar assignment. You could even do this for many other kinds of assignments, such as math assignments. There are many, many options that you can do with a word processing, but this is particularly good for writing assignments, writing prompts. So I could go in here and turn it in. I could go ahead and go share it, but I'm going to go back here first, and I'm going to show you another thing I could do. Let's say I wanted to add a drawing for some reason. I'm down here in Drawings, Google Drawings. I'm going to go here. And let's just say, for the sake of argument, that I'm no longer interested in doing Antigone. I am interested in drawing lines. And I'm going to draw, oops. Here we go. There's one. Let's say you're studying the Pythagorean theorem, for example. This might be a really useful tool. Create a right angle there. Ooh, that was bad. But be that as it may, let's say I wanted to add a shape. Oh, look, there's a Pac-Man shape. Got him there. Bring his mouth like that. Let's make him bigger. Somehow we got a little off there. Let's say I wanted to add something else. Hey, look, there's his eye. So there we have it. This is a drawing program that you could certainly use, and I could go ahead and go back here. I could share it. I could open the comment history, but it's all saved there. And I go back here to my writing prompt. Now here is where you can add or create to turn something in. And so go here. I'm going to do a file. And this is where I can drag this file. This was pre-made here for this reason. I'm going to upload this file. And there you have it. So I've got not only the Google Docs, the Google Drawings, but I also have my Word document that I have here. And I'm going to go ahead and turn that in. Do I want to turn that in? Yes, I do. Okay, yay. So I go back to two-page Montessori. And I go, look, I don't have any work due left. I've got my classwork. I click on it. And it says that I turned it in. That is awesome. And I get to view the assignment. I can go ahead and go back and look at these. And I could even unsubmit if I want to. Let's say I found out that I needed to make some more edits to my paper and I want to unsubmit and I want to try again. I can certainly do that. Let's say I've got something that didn't go right here. I can certainly unsubmit it and do it over. So there are a lot of things you can do. You can ask your teacher questions, private comments, etc. And I've done it. I have turned in my assignment. Now remember, when you go to your classwork, you will view your work. And it's really about this section over here. Now this one I've already turned in. Like, I'm going to go ahead and unsubmit this. Unsubmit? Yes, that's right. I'm unsubmitting. And oh, see, I can go edit this again. I forgot to add this sentence. Okay, then I go back here. Uh-oh. What if I decided that Pac-Man needed a friend? That would have been bad not to give him a friend. Baby Pac-Man. Let's give Baby Pac-Man a smiley. Smiley eye. Yeah, there we have it. So I've forgotten Baby Pac-Man over here, and I've got Big Pac-Man, and I'm ready to go with my triangle. So there is that, and I feel much better about my assignment now. So I go back to it, and let's say I didn't want that anymore, but I want to open this up, and I wanted to make a change. And I go here, I'm looking at the Lego stuff that we were doing. I did all these research prompts, and I went ahead and made a change or two. There really is nothing here. Looks like we're good. Okay, I'm good, so I don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to go ahead and add or create again. I'm going to do File. I'm going to pull, drag it in again, pretending I made some changes. Upload it. There it is. Keep going. And boom, now I will turn it in. There you have it. So I have gone ahead and turned in all of these works. I'm going to go ahead and click out of these windows. Don't need them anymore. And I go back to two-page Montessori, and there you have it. So this was a tutorial on how to turn work into Google Classroom. I hope this helps as we move forward. I really do. And thank you all for watching and listening, and have a great night.